Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the ways to cancel an order on Uber Eats. So usually Uber Eats only cancel if the food is not prepared yet or if it is not being delivered yet. Only then the order can be cancelled, otherwise you'll be asked to provide in some refund or whatsoever. Now to cancel an order on Uber Eats, log into your Uber Eats account. You can do this procedure through an app as well. Either way, the procedure is gonna remain the same. While you're on this page, tap the try bar icon from the top left hand side bar. A menu bar opens up. So from here, you need to go to orders. As you tap the button, as already mentioned, it's going to be displayed right over here that the food is out for delivery or some sort of things. So if it is out for delivery, then you'll not be able to cancel it. And if you see that the food is still preparing or whatsoever, then you'll be able to find and cancel order button located right at the bottom. You need to press on it. As soon as you do that, there will be some sort of statement confirmation, go through it all, and then you've successfully canceled your order on Uber Eats. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.